everyone, welcome back to Ginatopia. Today we're going to talk about style and fashion for spring 2018. Now what they show on the runway is not for everyone. Not everyone is a size 0, and we can take from what they show on the runway and adapt it to our everyday lives. So I printed out some pictures of styles from the runway, and I'm going to show you ways we can adapt them to our everyday life. Now I am definitely not a size 0. And I want to show you some things that I've got and how I'm going to incorporate some of the styles, not everything that I saw on the runway, into my everyday life. Now, florals are going to be big this spring, and I don't like to wear a lot of florals, especially around my junk in the trunk. So I'm going to incorporate floral purses, and this is one you remember I got on sale really inexpensive. So floral purses is a great way to do it. Also, a great way to do it is floral tops. And you know, they have a lot of cute tops and a lot of cute interests, you know, the cold shoulder and cutouts. So this is a really cute way. And fabrics with a little sheerness to them is really going to be hot this spring and summer. So this is a really cute top to incorporate floral plus the sheerness. So that is going to be a really good way to incorporate floral and sheerness. Another trend that's going to be hot this spring, which I probably won't get into, is fringe. And that can be fringe on jackets, dresses, skirts, purses, shoes, or jewelry. Now the closest thing I'll come to fringe is maybe something like earrings or pocketbooks, because I think maybe I'm just a little too old to do the whole fringe thing. So that's probably going to be one trend that I opt out on, unless, like I said, it's on maybe shoes or pocketbooks or something. And here is another cute little fringe dress, but like I said, that's probably not going to be something that I participate in. So that's going to be one that I will probably opt out on. Now the color of the year, according to Pantone, is lavender. And if you don't like to wear lavender all over, you can incorporate it by buying a lavender eyeshadows, nail polishes. You can opt for jewelry, and you can opt for maybe just a lavender top or jacket. So lavender is the color of the year, and I know that's going to make a lot of people happy because that's a lot of people's favorite color. Another something that is hot this year is yellow dresses. Now, I'll probably opt out of that trend unless I find one that I absolutely love, because I just don't see yellow across my butt. But hey, chicks, here's your yellow dress. And yes, that is chicks on that dress. Another something I will opt out on, the chick dress. Something else that's going to be big is fanny packs. And not this kind of fanny pack, but the expensive type of fanny packs with you can wear crossbody. And I would, if I'm going to buy one, I would buy a crossbody bag that I can double as a fanny pack, because when you bought all these types of fanny packs, they went dust in the wind. So if you're going to buy one, make it something that you can get double duty out of. Also, something that's going to be big is logos splashed on everything. From t-shirts to pocketbooks, logos are back big time. So if you like logos, it's your time. Also, something big is denim on denim and trouser suits with high waists. Now, I love high waists, so I'll be in on that trend. But I probably won't be wearing the denim on denim because I'm not big on denim jackets so much. But I do love the high-waisted pants, but I probably won't be getting any of the suits. But yeah, I do love the high-waisted pants, and that's a really good corporate look. So that is a cute trend. Something else I probably won't be participating in is sequins for day. Maybe just a top, but not the full sequin look. It would maybe work if you had a sequin skirt with a pretty blouse or a top with trousers, but I think the all-over sequin look is just a little too much, especially this gold outfit. But speaking of gold, gold is going to be hot, including in makeup. Something else that's going to be hot is plastic, and I do mean hot. Can you imagine wearing plastic clothes? This lady has on plastic boots, plastic hat, a plastic cape or something over her shoulders, plastic gloves, and she's carrying 2 plastic purses. She is definitely hot, and multiple bags is a trend. And heck, I've been in style for a long time because I carry 2 bags all the time. So Already got that trend licked. Something else that's going to be hot is bright colors for the spring. And we're talking about bright blues, bright reds, bright pinks. So the brighter the better. The bright trend is in. So if you like brights, you've got it made because brights are hot. Something else that's going to be hot is ruffles, ruffles, ruffles. Ruffles on your blouses, ruffles on your dresses, ruffles everywhere. Ruffles are hot. And let me show you a dress that I bought from HSN. This is a Colleen Lopez dress. It fell off the hanger just a second. Yes, Erica, I dropped something. It's a joke between me and my niece Erica. I'm always dropping something. This is a Colleen Lopez dress. They have it in red, plus they have it in a hot pink. So either way you go, you've got your bright bows licked, or you've got your ruffle licked. And it's got a ruffle down the side of the dress. It's got the peplum, and it's got the ruffle on the top. So this is a pretty dress, and you can see how nice that is. And this is from HSN. This is a Colleen Lopez. Right there, Colleen Lopez. So that is a gorgeous dress, and they have this right now in HSN. Another hot trend for the spring is sheer. Sheer skirts, sheer tops. And I recommend that you wear something underneath it, or someone will have to put a sticky note over you like I did this girl right here. Sheer, sheer, sheer. And I will show you what I bought. Sheer. I bought this top. This really pretty lacy top, but I plan on wearing a little cami underneath it. So, yeah, I thought that was a pretty top, but I definitely would not wear it without something underneath it more than just a bra. But I did think that was pretty, and you could put anything underneath that and just really make a really pretty outfit. And the next trend is the Power Pastels for spring, and mixing colors is going to be hot. So, Power Pastels. And here's some examples of some Power Pastels for this spring. Here is a pretty soft blue. Here's a pretty mint green. And here is some pretty pinky peaches. Also big this spring is shoes with embellishments, whether it be embroidery, whether it be feathers or flowers, just shoes with embellishments. Also big is shoes with socks. I think shoes with socks is okay if you're under 6. I don't think that's attractive once you're over 6 years old, but that is the trend for this spring. And here is the bags I was talking about, the crossbody bags and the fanny packs, or they're calling them belt bags now. Also hot is the classic trench coat. The trench coat really never has gone out of style, but now it's hotter than ever, so get into the back of your closet and drag out that trench coat. Let me grab mine over here. Comes in all different types of fabrications, and you can belt it in the front, you can tie it in the back, but the classic trench is never out of style, so just drag it out of the back of your closet, and the classic trench is back hotter than ever. Something else that is hot, hot, hot is plaids. Plaids, florals, and stripes. And here is Burberry plaids and polka dots. Now let me tell you something about the stripes. And this right here is a good example of the reason I brought it. Vertical stripes, looking okay on this girl right here. This little girl right here, honey, she's like me. She doesn't need to be wearing vertical stripes. When you're a certain size, vertical stripes don't look so hot. So when you go to try on stripes, check the width of your stripes, look in the mirror, and do a double take. Not all stripes are for everyone. Check your stripes. Just saying. Just saying. Here is the polka dot trend, and I showed you all this top before. Loving, loving, loving polka dots. So glad they're coming back hot. And if you don't want to wear stripes, get your stripe accessory. This is a Betsy Johnson purse. Check out Stripe accessories if you don't want to wear stripes. And if you don't want to wear polka dotted clothes, get you a polka dotted purse. There are so many options. And you can wear pastel jewelry. If you don't want to get all pastel, get you some pastel jewelry. But ladies, let me tell you, there is nothing more classier than gold hoops, which never go out of style, and a classic pearl necklace. Invest in a classic pearl necklace and a classic pair of stud earrings. And I thought I laid them here. I might have knocked them off. I'll have to get down to the floor and look. But if you invest in a classic pearl necklace and a classic pair of studs and a gold pair of earrings, you really don't need any other jewelry. Did I really just say that? Yes, I did. But it's true. Those 3 pieces of jewelry will take you anywhere you want to go. Can't believe I said it again. I've been lading here. But anyway, those 3 pieces are good classic pieces of jewelry, and a pair of silver hoops too. Those pieces of jewelry will take you anywhere you really want to go. I can't believe I'm saying it because I have so much jewelry. But invest in those so you always have those nice pieces of jewelry, so you can go out and know that you've got these nice pieces of jewelry. I bought my pearl studs back in the 80s when I lived in Chattanooga. And this pearl necklace my grandmother gave me back in the 80s. I've had it that long. And I'm not sure when my grandfather bought it for her. But once you have the classics, you always got them. Take care of them. Don't get them around hairspray. Don't put them in ultrasonic. Just take care of your pearls and they will last you and last for generations. And the last trend, which is my favorite trend, is the Cinderella shoe. Now it's a glitter shoe, and I no longer have a pair of glitter shoes, and I can't wear these shoes anymore since I broke my leg. But this is my Cinderella shoe. These are my Betsy Johnson shoes. They are all sequin, and I did wear these when I went down to Girlfriend Friday on JTV. Aren't they gorgeous? They are all rhinestones. This is my favorite pair of shoes in the world. Love, love, love this pair of shoes. But anyway, these are the trends for spring 2018. You can adjust these styles that you see on the runway to fit your lifestyle, because the styles on the runway are not for the average woman. You just have to adjust things to work for you, your body type, and your lifestyle. When I was in my 20s, I may have wore some of those other styles, but not today, because I'm not in my 20s anymore. I don't have the body I had when I was in my 20s. So I just wanted to share this with you, how you can adjust things to work for your lifestyle and your age and, you know, your job. So just wanted to share this with you. I know some people's going to think, you know, well, this is a crappy video, and that's all right. That's your opinion. But a lot of my friends are not 25 anymore. They won't wear the styles on the runway, and I just wanted to show them that they can be fashionable even though they're not 25 and don't wear the runway styles, that we can still buy things that are still fashionable and look great. So remember, share the love, not the hate. Be sure to subscribe to my video, and remember, I love you. And I've got a little ruffle on today, because remember, ruffles are in for 2018 spring. Remember, I love you. Classic pearls. Yes, I do have a lot of jewelry, but I still do have the classic pieces too. Love you.